All right, this is a 2013 Ford C-Max, and the issue that this car's having is the lock actuator. And I have a possible solution. So you lower the car, and this right back here, wait for it, it doesn't lock. And then if you hit that button, it makes that noise. And what's happening is this does not lock or unlock anymore. See, it's stuck. It broke inside. So I went to the junkyard, and I'll show you how I got that. This is off of a Ford Focus, and I hope that it fits. I might have to break this little arm off right there. The only difference I could see between the Focus one and the C-Max, well, the Focus hatch and the C-Max hatch are the same, but you need power to open them up, versus this is the pull style, so it's a lot easier to get because I don't have to take a jump box and try to get the hatch to pop. But if this doesn't work, there's one at the junkyard, so I am gonna remove this. All right, so there's these covers right here on the handle. You pop those 2 screws off, and then you just start popping off the trim pieces on both sides. I'm gonna pop this guy off last. So you start with that one, go down the sides, and they just all click together. Yeah, I already got that section popped out. There is one little connector here that goes to the button that's right there. And what I did is I popped it all down and then rotated the whole piece. And now you have T40 bits holding it in. So you can do this whole thing with a freaking flathead screwdriver to pop those clips, or a knife or whatever. A Phillips head screwdriver and T40s. And then this right here is the connection. And you just push down right here. And then wiggle. Ta-da. Everybody else was like, oh, you need a pick tool. You need some man hands, buddy. Put the purse down and give that a rip. So we'll get it switched out. All right, then once you get those bolts out, you can just pull it out like that. And there's this little guy that you twist and then pop it out right here with some force. Twist that off. That's a lock actuator. And so the Ford Focus one is not going to work, but there is a C-Max back at my local pull apart, so I'll get this squared away. But that's how you do it. Just put everything back together.